Hey guys, today we're checking out our new bubble removal machine. In colder weather, resin tends to thicken up. It's a good idea to give it a warm water bath and let it reach about 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit before you start mixing. When you're ready, fill the cup only halfway to avoid any overflow. Then put on the lid and press down firmly to ensure a seal. Now, let's dive into the mode selection. The default setting is 5 minutes, but you can increase it up to 15 minutes if needed. For 100 to 200 milliliters of low viscosity resin, it usually takes 5 to 9 minutes. As for medium viscosity resin and those with colorants, you'll need to let it run a bit longer. Silicone containers require more time due to the greater surface friction, so we do not recommend placing the silicone mold directly into the machine to remove air bubbles. After the countdown, the machine will automatically release air, so you won't have to manually unplug the silicone lid. Any remaining surface bubbles can easily be removed with a heat gun or a quick spray of alcohol.